and today I'm reviewing a HDMI cable. It is the Auvio brand of HDMI cable. I bought this today at Radio Shack. I will be using this with an HDMI hub, a switch box, and I will be running my Roku and my Google Chromecast through this cable. When I went to Radio Shack, I asked them for a high quality HDMI cable and they pointed me to this one, and it was $29. It's not cheap, it's 4 feet long, but at Radio Shack it's $29. So if you want to use that as a reference price for if you are looking at this same brand. The Auvio high-speed HDMI cable is working great. I've got it plugged in right there to my HDMI switcher. It's doing a great job. There it is. It's passing good video through to my TV. There is one of my videos, and I'll play it just to show you. I actually liked it very much. But while I was there, I saw the Arnold Palmer half and half, so I went ahead and bought that also, and I'm just now getting ready to. All right, there we go. I'm gonna cut that off. Once again, it's made by the. Hey, it's working great. I'm happy with it. I can definitely recommend the Auvio HDMI cables. I got a good signal. It's working exactly the way the guy told me it worked. So you can take my reviews to the bank. Feel good about buying one of these HDMI cables. Wherever you're at, I hope you're having a great day. God bless the USA. Hey, Steve here with another Steve's review, and today I'm reviewing a HDMI cable. It is the Auvio brand of HDMI